Holy moly guacamole. It's just exquisite with cinnamon and...
Bueno, hoy día vamos a hacer un mole, más o menos poblano. Mole is basically a spicy sauce which contains at least 20 different ingredients to include nuts, dried fruits, maybe chocolate, and some chilies. Now traditionally it's made with what's called a molcajete, which is a volcanic stone to grind all the ingredients together. I have a regular mortar and pestle. We'll see how that goes. Let's get to it. Mole is a Nahuatl or Aztec word meaning mixture. This dish is truly international as it contains ingredients from the Americas, Africa, Asia, and Europe. This is a molcajete, which I used to have. If you don't have a fire outdoors, roast the peppers with a butane torch lighter. Guajillo, ancho, chipotle, and pasilla is ideal. I'm using what is locally available to me, mostly Thai peppers. If you want a little less heat, remove some of the seeds. On an oven tray, set the walnuts, cashews, pistachios, mustard seed, coriander seed, and broil for about a minute. It's done when the seeds start popping. The job is to crush all the ingredients as best you can, in batches if necessary. I used what I had, a standard mortar and pestle. Crush the chocolate down to small bits. I forgot about the cloves. I crushed them. Crack a whole nutmeg and pulverize the meat inside. Fresh is always best. To help with the chopping, I used a hand mixer. Then prep the wet ingredients. Chop the onion, dried figs, dried dates, minus the pits, and give the garlic a rough chop. Cut all the tomatoes in half lengthwise. Then saute all the ingredients in oil. Here I'm using lard. Give the onions 10 minutes, then add the garlic for a minute, then cook the tomatoes for 5 minutes. Then add a cup of chicken stock, bring to a simmer, and add the dried fruits, the tamarind paste, all the chilies, all the crushed dry ingredients, then add the chocolate until melted. Add another cup of stock if needed, and then blend everything with a hand mixer. I added a bit of annatto oil that I found. Mix everything together and simmer for about an hour. You're looking for a medium thick consistency. Okay, I was gonna wait until I got dressed, but this is a pork roulade. It's got a little bit of fat, a little bit of meat. Jesus! I can't cook for myself anymore. I'm gonna cry. I can't go to any restaurant. Listen, I love Mexico. Mi raza. I think I killed it. I killed the mole. I mastered it. Moment of truth.
The complexity of flavors. It's just exquisite with cinnamon and smokiness and slightly spicy, but just enough to keep the flavor complexity. It's just so good, I can't stop eating it now.
What are we finishing with?
Dulce rojo, tequila. Keep cooking until next time.